I wonder what my least common denominator is. Let's find out. Well, let's get that out of the way first of all, and let's slide that over, and then we'll find our least common denominator. Because I hate for that problem to be hiding behind me saying, solve me first. No, he comes first. Least common denominator is, well, x minus 5. Now, let's put this in a larger context too, because it's easy to look at this and say, well, I don't know what to do. We're solving, that's what the direction said, but we can solve because of the equal sign. And since we have fractions in our solving, we need to multiply by the least common denominator. So let's go. X minus 5. Started this problem by telling you what to do without saying this is how we know what to do. All right, so we will go ahead and cancel some stuff out. I think it's fairly obvious. X minus 5 cancels with x minus 5. Nothing cancels here, and that cancels with that. So we are left with 5 minus 1 times x minus 5. Ooh, gonna get tricky. Equals, those canceled, leaves me with x. Okay, we have to solve this. And it's gonna be kind of fun, and you're gonna see where this one's going in just a minute. So 5 minus x plus 5 equals x. Let's get our like terms together. That's 10. Negative x plus 10 equals x. Let's add x to both sides. 10 equals 2x. So we'll divide by 2. X equals 5. Ah, done. Yay. No. Okay. In a previous problem, I said that at this step, I always check and make sure it doesn't make a denominator equal 0. Check this out. If x was 5, and I had 5 minus 5, I'd have 0, right? You just divide it by 0. All that work, and here's your answer. No solution. Now, if you want a reference point for what that is, if you're copying down every word I'm saying, then you should probably copy this too. No solution, because x equals 5 makes the original denominators, two of them anyway, equals 0. And you can't divide by 0. I've tried. Don't do it. Hurt my friends too. Lost some friends over that one. I see you divided by 0. We can't hang out anymore. No. Okay, so we go through the whole process. Again, you had to look at it and say, oh, it's an equation. There are fractions. Let's multiply by least common denominator. You get to the end and you say, do I ever divide by 0? Yeah, I do. So let's try another one. It's going to look a lot alike. Maybe it has no solution. Maybe it has a solution. Who knows what it has? Let's find out. Okay, it's an equation. They're asking us to solve it. Final answer is going to be x equals something or no solution, like the last one. And we have fractions, so the best strategy, personal opinion, is to multiply by the least common denominator, which is x minus 1. Ah, I missed it. Sometimes it stays up there forever and sometimes it doesn't. Don't cancel those. X times 1. 8 x plus 1 equals 1. Okay, this one's going to work out quite nicely. 8x plus 8 equals 1. 9x plus 8 equals 1. Subtract 8. 9x equals negative 7. We'll divide by 9. X equals negative 7 over 9. Yay! Do we ever divide by 0? Okay, well, if x equaled negative 7/9, I have negative 7/9 minus 1. As wordy as it sounds, it's not 0. It'd be obvious if it was. If it was like 5 minus 5, like that last one, or 1 minus 1. No. 7/9 minus 7/9, but it's not. Negative 7/9 minus 1? Nah, we're good. Never divided by 0. So because we're good, that is indeed my answer. Let's make this denominator look like the 9 that it should be. There we go. And that is it.